Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you that how will you change your Facebook name. So let's start. First of all, open your Facebook, then click on menu. After that, scroll down. Here is setting and privacy option. So click on this. Then click on setting. Then click on see more in account center. Then click on profile. Then click on it again. Then click on name. So from here you can change your name. If you want to change your name, so change it. But remember one thing, be carefully check your spelling because once you change it, you cannot rechange it within 60 days. So after that when you change your name, click on review change. So it is very simple method. So thank you guys for watching this beautiful tutorial. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you.